Space is vast. It's filled with stars, planets, and maybe even other forms of life. How do we measure the progress of civilizations across this vast cosmic playground? In 1964, a Russian astrophysicist named Nikolai Kardashev came up with an idea. He proposed a scale to measure a civilization's technological advancement. This scale, known as the Kardashev scale, doesn't look at things like art or literature. Instead, it focuses on energy. How much energy can a civilization harness? That's the key question. The Kardashev scale has three main levels: Type 1, Type 2, and Type 3. Each level represents a significant leap in energy consumption and technological capability. Type 1 civilizations control the energy of their home planet. Type 2 civilizations can harness the energy of their entire star. Type 3 civilizations, the most advanced, have mastery over the energy of their entire galaxy. The Kardashev scale isn't just about ranking civilizations. It's a way to think about the possibilities and challenges that come with technological advancement. It helps us understand our place in the universe and imagine what the future might hold. As we explore each type, we'll see that the Kardashev scale is a journey through the increasing energy demands of civilizations and the incredible technologies they might develop to meet those demands. A Type 1 civilization is a true master of its planet. It can harness and control all the energy resources available on its home world. This means capturing all the sunlight that falls on the planet, harnessing the power of volcanoes, earthquakes, and even controlling the weather. Imagine a world where energy is clean, abundant, and available to everyone. That's the promise of a Type 1 civilization. To achieve Type 1 status, a civilization needs to advance significantly in several areas. Energy production is key. They would need to develop highly efficient renewable energy sources, perhaps even mastering fusion power, the same process that powers the sun. Control over the environment is another crucial aspect. This includes managing natural resources, preventing pollution, and even controlling the weather to mitigate the effects of climate change. Science fiction often depicts Type 1 civilizations with advanced technologies that seem impossible today. Imagine cities powered by massive geothermal plants, weather control systems that prevent natural disasters, and transportation systems that utilize the Earth's magnetic field. While these technologies may seem like the stuff of fantasy, they illustrate the level of control and sophistication that a Type 1 civilization would possess. If a Type 1 civilization is a master of its planet, a Type 2 civilization is a master of its star. These civilizations have moved beyond their home planet and built massive structures in space to capture the enormous energy output of their star. The most famous example of such a structure is the Dyson sphere, a hypothetical megastructure that completely encapsulates a star, capturing all of its energy. A Type 2 civilization would possess technologies that dwarf our current capabilities. They could manipulate matter at a fundamental level, perhaps even controlling gravity. Space travel would be commonplace, with colonies on multiple planets and perhaps even within their solar system. The amount of energy available to a Type 2 civilization would be almost unimaginable, allowing them to power their advanced technologies and support a vast and thriving population. Science fiction provides us with glimpses of what a Type 2 civilization might look like. In the Star Wars universe, the Death Star, with its ability to destroy planets, hints at the immense energy control of the galactic empire. Similarly, the Borg from Star Trek, with their ability to assimilate entire civilizations and their mastery over energy and matter, represent another example of a Type 2 civilization. The pinnacle of the Kardashev scale, a Type 3 civilization, is a truly awe-inspiring concept. They have transcended the limitations of their solar system and spread across their galaxy, harnessing the energy output of billions of stars. These civilizations would possess technology so advanced that it would be indistinguishable from magic to us. They could manipulate space-time, control the very fabric of reality, and perhaps even create new universes. At this level of advancement, a Type 3 civilization would have likely encountered other intelligent life forms. The challenges and opportunities presented by such encounters would be immense. Would they be benevolent explorers sharing their knowledge and technology, or would they be conquerors seeking to expand their galactic empire? Science fiction rarely even attempts to depict Type 3 civilizations, as their capabilities are so far beyond our understanding. The Culture, a hyper-advanced civilization in Ian M. Banks' novels, might come close. They have colonized vast areas of the galaxy, possess incredibly advanced technology, and grapple with the philosophical implications of their existence. We humans, for all our achievements, are still far from reaching Type 1 status. We rely heavily on fossil fuels. Our energy consumption is a fraction of what a Type 1 civilization would require, and we are still grappling with challenges like climate change and resource depletion. Michio Kaku, a renowned physicist, estimates that we are currently at about 0.73 on the Kardashev scale. However, our progress in fields like renewable energy, space exploration, and artificial intelligence suggests that we are moving, however slowly, towards Type 1. The transition to a Type 1 civilization will require global cooperation, technological innovation, and a fundamental shift in our relationship with energy and the environment. It's a daunting but ultimately essential goal if we want to ensure the long-term survival and prosperity of humanity. Section 6. The road to Type 1: Challenges and Opportunities. The journey to becoming a Type 1 civilization is fraught with challenges. We must overcome our reliance on fossil fuels and develop sustainable energy sources that can meet the growing demands of our planet. Climate change poses a significant threat, requiring us to reduce our carbon footprint and develop technologies to mitigate its effects. However, this journey also presents incredible opportunities. The transition to renewable energy sources will create new industries and jobs. Advances in fields like space exploration and artificial intelligence have the potential to solve some of our most pressing problems. Reaching Type 1 is not just about consuming more energy, it's about doing so in a way that is sustainable, equitable, and beneficial to all of humanity. Section 7. Reaching for the Stars: The Future of Type 2. Achieving Type 2 status requires us to become a spacefaring civilization. We need to develop technologies for interstellar travel, colonize other planets, and eventually build megastructures like the Dyson Sphere to harness the vast energy of our sun. This is a future that is centuries, if not millennia, away. However, the journey begins with the steps we take today. Investing in space exploration, developing new propulsion systems, and searching for habitable planets are all crucial steps towards a Type 2 future. The challenges are immense, but the rewards are even greater. A future where humanity is no longer confined to Earth, but has expanded its reach to the stars. Section 8. Galactic Domination or Cosmic Harmony: The Implications of Type 3. The idea of a Type 3 civilization is both exhilarating and terrifying. The power they would possess is almost unimaginable, and the ethical implications of their existence are profound. Would they be benevolent stewards of the galaxy, or would they be ruthless conquerors? Would they see other intelligent life forms as equals or as inferior beings? These are questions we can't answer, but they highlight the importance of considering the ethical implications of our technological advancements. As we strive to reach higher levels on the Kardashev scale, we must do so responsibly, ensuring that our technological progress is matched by our moral and ethical development. Section 9. Conclusion: A Universe of Possibilities. The Kardashev scale is more than just a way to measure a civilization's energy consumption. It's a framework for understanding the potential and challenges of technological advancement, and a reminder of the vast possibilities that await us in the universe. While we may be a long way from becoming a Type 1 civilization, let alone a Type 2 or Type 3, the journey itself is what matters. By striving to reach higher levels on the Kardashev scale, we push the boundaries of human ingenuity and create a future filled with wonder, discovery, and perhaps even encounters with other intelligent life forms in the vast expanse of space. The future is unwritten, and the cosmos is our canvas.